everyone, Namaste. I'm Chetna Bhagoji, Assistant Professor at Govindram Saksara Science Degree College, Belgaum, Karnataka, India. I take this opportunity to thank the amazing organizing committee for such a wonderful, thoughtful, and an effective organization of the conference. Conferences like these are really easy to navigate and thus bring in many opportunities to network with fellow evaluators. I loved that the time allotted for the presentations was generous and promoting, and the thoughtful questionnaire did give a broad way for a greener tomorrow. It did give the presentators the gift of critical feedback. The presentations by the participants gave us new ideas and a new way of approach for a greener horizon. The ability to network with people was excellent, and I must congratulate Mr. Amit and his team for such a well organized conference. You did a great job of keeping everything on track. I must say all the very best for your future interviews. Thank you.